Are you finding that your WordPress site or specific pages aren't showing up on Google or other search engines? Chances are, you might have a noindex tag lurking somewhere that's blocking search engines from crawling your content. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to find and remove those noindex settings on your WordPress site in 2025, so your hard work actually gets discovered online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to check and what settings to update, whether it's your entire site or just an individual page, so you can boost your visibility and make sure search engines can find you. Let's dive right in. The first place we want to look is your site-wide reading settings. This is actually one of the most common reasons why a whole WordPress site can accidentally be hidden from search engines. Sometimes people set up a new site and check a box to block search engines while they're working, and then completely forget about it. To check this, head over to the WordPress dashboard and look for the menu on the left side. Click on Settings, then choose Reading. Now, here's where it matters. Slow down and take a good look at what's called the Search Engine Visibility section. There will be a simple checkbox that says, "Discourage search engines from indexing this site." If this box is checked, it tells WordPress to add a noindex tag to every single page on your site, which means search engines are basically being told to ignore you. For a live, publicly available website, we definitely do not want this checked. So go ahead and uncheck it. A quick but important note. Sometimes people panic at this part if their site isn't showing up. But don't worry, it's a super common mistake. And switching this setting is all you need for site-wide indexing. After you've unchecked the box, scroll down and click Save Changes. The Save button can be easy to miss, but it's crucial, otherwise your update won't go live. Once you've saved, your site immediately tells search engines it's ready to be crawled and indexed again. Depending on how often Google visits your site, it might take a few days for everything to start appearing in search results. So just have a bit of patience. But what if only some pages aren't showing up? That's where we move on to step 2, checking the individual page or post settings, which are usually managed by your SEO plugin. Most WordPress sites use something like Yoast SEO for this. If you know which page or post isn't getting indexed, go ahead and edit it in WordPress. Scroll down until you find the Yoast SEO meta box, which is usually right below your content editor. Click the Advanced tab inside the meta box. Here, you'll see an option that reads, "Allow search engines to show this page in search results." You might see that it's set to No, meaning a noindex tag has been added just for this page, maybe by accident, or maybe as part of a previous setting. Change this to Yes. This tells Google and other search engines it's totally fine to crawl and display this specific page. Don't forget to update the post or page after making this change. Even small edits in metadata need to be saved, or they won't take effect. To sum up, it's all about two main places: the global site settings for search visibility, and the page-specific settings via your SEO plugin. If you follow these steps, you'll remove those pesky noindex tags and get your site back in front of search engines, whether they're keeping everything out or just a single post. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more easy, actionable WordPress tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another issue you want help with. I'm always happy to lend a hand. Thanks for watching and happy indexing.